Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Yes, today on Monday, July the 12th, 2021. Monday, yes, weekend is past. We have here in this puzzle page a regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, but in this puzzle page we have also 7 extra Sudokus or puzzles. Letter Sudoku we have here, 2-star Sudoku, 3 stars, and a 4 stars. Then we have a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and a binary. 7 extra Sudokus, but first we will solve the regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku in this case. Okay, and this one will be a number 3083. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, I've already counted. Alright. So if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 1 star. And for a 1 star Sudoku, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, let me scan the puzzle. Which number shall I pick? How about the number. Let me see. We have a 5 in this row, 5 in the third row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Then 3. Oh, all right. 1, 2, 3, 3, 7, and the 2. Well. 8, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers in 8. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 3 in that row. So in the row between, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 1 goes there. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 and a 4 in this row. So no 1 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers 6 and 5. 6 and 5. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 5 goes there. Alright. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So on the last row, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. Together with the 3, we have a pair. 1 box left in this big square for number 7. 2 numbers left in this row. 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 2 and 8. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 no. Let me see. 1, 4, 3 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers in the second row are the 1, the 2, and the 4 are missing. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. Therefore, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be here. 1 and 2 are left now. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright. Then let me see. Okay. Okay. 1, 4, 7 should be here. 7. Okay. 1. 2. Yes, 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 7. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright, so we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the second row, so the third row. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Then 1, 2, 4, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, and the 4. 1, 2, 4, 1, the 2, 4. And look, we have a 1 and a 2 in this column. So no 1 and 2 in this box. The 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 1 and 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing, and the 6 is missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Oh, well, we have a 4 here. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. Alright, now we have a 6 there. So this box can't be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 3. Okay. Yeah. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7. 5, 7, and 9. 5, 7, and 9. 5, 7, and 9. No, I cannot fill this yet. How about those? 2, 5 and 7. No. Yeah. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 1 box left in the last column for the number 7. Alright. So we have 4 in this column, 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 4. Yeah. 718. How about 8? Okay. 9. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 8 and 9. 8 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 6 and 5. 6 and 5. We see here 6, no 6 there. No. We have already 6. 8 and 6. 1, 2, 3. No. We have a 6 here. 5 and 3. 5 and 3 are missing. 5 and 3. 8 and 9. Okay. A lot of pairs. Okay. 4, 4, 4. 6, 6. Yeah, 6 in this column, 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Okay, 1. 4 missing numbers, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. There 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in the first column for the numbers 8 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 8 and 7. 1 box left in this column, the second column, for the number 1, 2, 3 is missing. Yes, 3 is missing now. We have already an 8 there, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 5 and 9. 5 and 9 cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 9 and 5. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 7 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, 1, 2, the 3 is missing, and a 7 is missing. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 9. And the final 2 numbers are left in this big square, the 8 and the 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Faster than 50 minutes, correct? And I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other puzzles or Sudokus in the additional. See you then. Bye bye for now.